What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and as you can see, it snowed out here again, freezing. But I have out here a possible awesome option in the 2S class coming from Crazepony-Power on Amazon. So we're gonna test it out. This is a graphene battery, guys, and it comes in 2 pieces for $14.99, I think it is. Could be an awesome option for some 2S batteries. I have my ET100 out here. It has special motors on it. So my ET100 has 11,500 kV motors on it. Man, this wind is really blowing out here and it's cold. So let's see if we can get this thing up. There we go. Let's see if we can get it in the air. Let's check out a punch out. So it looks like the punch out is nice. Let's look at it again. The wind is really blowing. I'm flying against the wind here. This is with the wind. So no buzzer on these punch outs. Seems like a nice battery. I don't know how long the flight time is going to be with this cold weather out here. So this is only a 400 milliamp hour battery. But it's a graphene battery, so it should be performing like this, a little better than a normal LiPo. Man, the wind's blowing me towards this gate back here. Kind of challenging flying line of sight in all this wind here. Okay, we got the buzzer going off. I think it was just because of all of the stuff I was doing. We got it going again. It did get quiet again, but we're gonna bring it in. My hands are frozen here. So that's it. A quick demo flight of my ET100 with special 11,500 kV motors on it. And we were testing this battery here. 2S Infinity Graphene battery. It comes 2 in a pack, 2 pieces for $14.99, I think, from Crazepony-Power on Amazon. Thanks for watching.